A blinking white light on your T-Mobile Wi-Fi access point indicates an issue requiring attention. The blinking pattern helps diagnose the problem. A slow blink every 2 to 3 seconds usually means the device is in boot or pairing mode, often during initial setup or when adding a new device. A faster blink every 1 to 2 seconds suggests a WAN issue, such as no internet connection from T-Mobile's network or a SIM card problem. Rapid blinking, near constant, typically signifies a factory reset is in progress or has been completed. Knowing which blink rate you are seeing can help you troubleshoot the issue. Note that firmware bugs and power fluctuations may also cause blinking white lights. Start with basic troubleshooting. Power cycle the AP by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. If the problem persists, use the T-Mobile app. The October 2025 update includes AI-driven tools to diagnose and fix boot, pairing, WAN, and reset mode issues and suggests fixes. Relocating the AP away from metal obstructions or other electronic devices may improve signal strength. If the light continues to blink, contact T-Mobile support or consider resetting the device to factory settings using the reset button. If the AI-driven tools in the T-Mobile app cannot resolve the issue, hardware replacement might be required.